Grape oil, also called grapeseed oil, is obtained from the seeds of the fruit, which aren't used for wine production. It's rich in good fats and is very good for treating arthritis and joint pain. Did you know that? Grapeseed oil has long been used as a cosmetic to improve the appearance of skin and hair, and recently other health benefits have been discovered for topical use. It can relieve the pain of rheumatic diseases. Arthritis, osteoarthritis, and gout are chronic rheumatic diseases that cause inflammation of the joints. In rheumatic crises, the high level of inflammation causes pain and can significantly limit movement. Due to its anti-inflammatory effect, grape oil can help relieve pain and improve circulation when massaged into the affected area. In addition, studies have shown that grapeseed oil can increase the production of collagen, which is essential for maintaining healthy connective tissue in our joints. For best results, apply the oil topically and take it in capsule form or as a salad dressing, etc. You can find grapeseed oil in health food stores, pharmacies, and on specialized sites on the internet. Always read the label because there's grapeseed oil for cosmetic use, grapeseed oil in capsules for consumption, and even grapeseed oil for cooking. Although it's a little more expensive, it's worth choosing cold-pressed grapeseed oil because it not only has more nutrients, but also doesn't contain chemical solvents. If you use grapeseed oil for cooking, you should know that it can also help lower cholesterol, lose weight, prevent diabetes, and even control blood sugar levels. It should be remembered that vegetable oils rich in omega-6 in excess can cause inflammation in the body. Therefore, to avoid this side effect, you shouldn't consume more than 1 or 2 spoonfuls of this oil per day. Try to use grapeseed oil in salad dressings, for grilling vegetables and lean meats, or in healthy recipes. Did you enjoy learning more about this effective natural remedy for joint pain? Try it out and share your experience with us. If you liked the video, give it a thumbs up and share it with your friends. For more recipes and tips, subscribe to the channel.